I'm in heaven right now. Holy smoke. Okay. See if it's just a little door on a little unit, but it sure doesn't open very well, and they're gonna bust the thing. It's the latch. You gotta move the latch down, so it looks pretty rusty. I'm gonna try. I noticed that if you kind of pull it down or something, I don't know. I'm gonna try some oil, but definitely effed up. So if I move this part, and it did move before, yeah, it does move out. But let me try some oil. What a bitch, though. Whoa, dudes, what a difference, man. WD-40? Holy shit. Just a little spray, especially in this spot in here. Man, I just squirted it in and boom, she's like freaking like brand new. Wow, I wouldn't imagine that. Holy shit. People tomorrow are going to be like in heaven. I'm in heaven right now. Holy smokes, I can't believe how well that worked.